Going out to H&P 234, rig down the intercoms, basically just take everything apart, make sure that they can move it and not damage anything. So that's where I'm headed now. This is a ranch outside of Corpus Christi, about 100 miles south. Sun's going down once again as always. And that's my destination up ahead, that rig over there.
And everybody's having a good time. And you know what's going through my mind. Do you mind if I get comfortable and take off these shoes?
Say,
all I'm gonna do is say, why you fixing me a drink? Take me some of them down home blues. Not much on the town. And you know I done cut out a lot of that running around all week long. I ain't keeping my cool. And tonight I'm moving it down and putting in these down home blues. All she wanna hear was some down home blues all night long. Every other record or two. She said, "Leave me alone, and let me hear some down home blues."
got a windmill over there. They use those down here to pump up water for the livestock. Still use windmills down here. That's a well over there. I don't even see it, but it's already done. That's H&P 234. Want to rig them down.
All she wanted to hear was these down home blues all night long. Every other record or two. She said, "I'm gonna get my head back and pour me on these down home blues."
That's H&P 234. That's my office.